back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP here on the 4-hour time frame, and what we do see is five waves to the upside, with the fifth wave coming towards the golden pocket or the 70.2% fib, which is a common target for a fifth wave in crypto. And right now what we could be doing is a B wave to the upside before we have a C wave down below 54 cent. And this B wave would likely go towards the 66 to 67 cent region, right over here at around the 1.236 extension to 1.382. Okay, it would also line up with our 78.6% fib measured from our March high down to our July low. So if we take a fib from this high over here down to this low, right over here, we do see that we have already come up to the 70.2% fib, which, as most of you know, is where the algo likes to take crypto before you tend to see a reversal. But there is a possibility for a wick up to this 786. So as you guys can see, we have hit this 70.2% fib over here for a fifth wave, and it wouldn't surprise me we have a B wave up in the form of a flat pattern towards 66 to 67 cent region at the 786. Okay, so what bulls would want to see here going forward is a move above this level over here. Above this level right over here. Okay, so I'll make this yellow so you guys can see. And then we would come down for a C wave below 54 cent. Right over here. Okay, and these over here would be your DCA levels. So this is where you would want a DCA in. And this over here would be considered your EQ, or in other words, your equilibrium. Okay, and if we do get above this level over here at 0.66, if we get a 4-hour closure above that, then it's likely we'll head towards 77 to 76 cent region, and this over here would be your wave 3, this is your wave 4, and then this this over here would be your wave 5. But remember, in order for a scenario like that to occur, we would need Bitcoin to follow suit. And right now, Bitcoin is printing a bearish ascending broadening wedge, or in other words, a ending diagonal. You can also consider this like a 3 drives to a high pattern. So the macro, I do think that the macro bottom is in, and we're just printing we're likely going to come down for a wave 2 before going into the Ethereum ETF event tomorrow. So we do see 5 subwaves up here on Bitcoin, and then within wave 5 of 5, we do see an ending diagonal. Okay, in which the waves are overlapping each other. So as Bitcoin grinds out a top over here, or a local top, I do think that XRP will have what's called an exit pump. And this is what XRP likes to do. It's just something I noticed throughout the years. XRP likes to have exit pumps. It's usually the last to move before the whole market turns. So I would expect so be very cautious here at around 66 to 67 cent region, because there is a possibility we go ahead and meet these lows at 0.54 towards equilibrium at 51 cent. Okay, and bulls definitely don't want to see a move below this level right over here in order to maintain our bullish bias, or our macro bullish bias. Okay, and I'm just putting out the bullish scenario on the chart over here. If it were to go above 66 cent, likely come towards this 77 cent region. Okay, but be very cautious here, okay, because Bitcoin is forming a bearish ascending broadening wedge. And if we go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin over here on the 4-hour time frame, we do see bearish divergence, and the hourly is also printing triple negative divergence. So we have 3 drives over here, but we have consecutive lower highs on the RSI right over here, consecutive lower highs, while we have consecutive higher highs on Bitcoin, and we see the same thing over here with XRP. Okay, just something to be aware of going forward. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video. I still do think that this is the bottom over here, right over here, and all we're doing is coming down for these subwaves. So this would be your wave 1, and then we would come down for a wave 2 before having a wave 3 to the upside. Because don't forget, I do think that the XRP low is in. Okay, this over here would be your WXY correction. So you have your W, your X, and then your Y wave. Okay. Okay, this is your macro wave 1, and this is your macro wave 2. And we're within our wave 3 right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.